wipe, wipe, wipe it down, wipe, 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 wipe it down, wipe.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Just click the subscribe button below. Y'all, I participated in a giveaway. I'm not going to tell y'all the giveaway. You will see it in the video. But yeah, I participated in a giveaway and I won. Your girl won. When I saw my name come up.
Level up, level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up.
I swear, you could swear, y'all, you could swear I win the lotto. But y'all, I was super excited. I'm still excited. I won it about a week and a half ago, and this is the time that we scheduled the appointment to get it done. I will show you all what it is. But yeah, let's go and redeem my prize.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.
Hey guys, my name is Ciara from Bullabundlestt. So today I installed an 18-inch lace front wig on Camille. She was our giveaway winner. As you can see, she is feeling herself. So we did both her hair and her makeup. I am the business owner of both Bullabundlestt and Slade TT, based in Trinidad and Tobago. And of course, we provide nothing but luxurious human hair extensions. So here, it's an Indian straight lace front wig. I flat ironed it to perfection. And as you can see, it literally looks like full hair. If you guys are interested in having your hair installed or purchasing a wig, definitely feel free to contact me at any time. I did Camille's makeup. I was just going for a really girly, fresh, but still very bright look because I thought it accentuated her features. As you can see, she has very high cheekbones. She has a very slender face shape, so I thought that this look was perfect for her, ideally. And yes, I take appointments. If you're interested, you can feel free to contact me at Slade_TT on Instagram or Slade on Facebook. You could also check out my YouTube channel, which is also Slade. She'll leave the link in her description.
I'm Kami Kardashian, so get with the program. This is the final look, y'all. This is about 2.5 hours after, because my battery died, and I'm kind of sweating just a little. But yeah, this is it after. I love it. I love everything about the hair. It feels so natural. It feels like mine. I love the makeup look. I've never worn so much makeup, but it looks good. My cheekbones are just out there. I know a lot of people like these big cheekbones. So yeah, I love the makeup. I love the hair. This is the first time that I'm wearing such a dramatic lashes, but I love it anyways. The service that I got from her was beyond my expectation, because you're getting free thing, you're just expecting to do it quick and get out. She was so polite to me, and she made conversation when she was installing the wigs. She was gentle with me. She explained everything that she was doing and what's the purpose of her doing it. She wasn't just putting stuff all over and have me they worried, because you all know this is the first time that I am putting wig in my hair. So just the idea of having glue on my head is somewhat of a reason for me to kind of panic just a little bit. But she explained everything to me, let me know that this is what she's using and why she's using it, you understand? And that was really nice of her. She's teaching everything that she's doing, and that is very generous of her, because a lot of people out there, they feel that because they're doing hair, you have to come to them to do it if they install it and you know you have to go to them to take it out. Don't do it on your own and that kind of thing, because you know everything is a money thing. You know how it go. But make sure to check out her Instagram and YouTube channels, y'all. She teaches you on how to install your wigs, how to treat with your wigs, and also how to protect your natural hair. So y'all make sure and go check her out. My experience there was amazing. And that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of mine, this giveaway and what I won. So you like mommy here? Yeah? Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now put your light in the air for us.